Hello guys and welcome to another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to render as your project as MP4. So to have an MP4 format video, you will need to have your project here or your compositions that finished working with, like having animations, etc, etc. After that, you will need to follow these steps. First thing, you want to click on the File tab, or we can click on the Composition tab and go to Export, and here we will find Add to render queue or add to Adobe Media Encoder. Also, you can do this step here with Composition tab and click on Add to Adobe Media Encoder or Add to render queue. If you want to just render your video with After Effects only, you can just click on it, and here you will have your composition here, and those are the settings of your rendering. So the first thing is the render settings. You will have here all the settings of how Adobe After Effects renders. You can change things if you want, but what we want most importantly is our video format. So here we have the AVI format here, and we can choose a codec here if you want, but we want the MP4. Basically, it depends on your Adobe After Effects version. So you may have the MP4 version here. It will be written as an H264. So you may have it here in the format here. If not, you will maybe have it here in the QuickTime. Click on QuickTime and click on Format option, and in the video codec click here, and you may also have it here as an H264. Basically, if it doesn't shows either on these both ways, that means that you need to have another version of Adobe After Effects, or you can just download Adobe Media Encoder, and you will go to the composition and click on Adobe Media Encoder after you install it on your PC, and it will open automatically, and it will add your project or composition to the render queue of Media Encoder automatically, and by default you will have your output settings or output format as an H264, and then you will just play and start rendering, and you will have your PC, I mean your video on your PC as an MP4 video. So basically this is how you can do it with After Effects. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.